Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 8. So in the last class we have completed with the distributive property of rational numbers, and also we have solved some of the examples of rational numbers, and also in this class we are going to study the solving exercise number 1.2. So we have completed with the exercise number 1.1. In this class you are going to study the solving the exercise number 1.2. So see here, you have learned in the last class the representation of rational numbers on the number line. So representation of rational numbers on the number line you already learned, and also you have learned how to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. So these all the concepts you have learned in your previous video. In this video you are going to learn and you have to solve the exercise number 1.2. Okay, now see, the first question says represent these numbers on the number line. So in the previous video we saw how to solve or how to represent the number line on a number line. So once again you are going to solve the exercise number 1.2, that is here representing these number lines, these numbers on the number line, that is 7 by 4 and minus 5 by 6. So see here, I take one example of this one, that is first example you are having as 7 by 4. So this is in the form of improper fraction. So firstly you know how to convert in the form of mixed fraction in your previous classes. So see here, it is 4 ones are 4, remaining is 3, that is one integer 3 by 4. So that is 4 ones are 4, remaining is 3, one integer 3 by 4. Okay, so I want to represent one integer 3 by 4 on the number line. So how to represent? Just go through this. So I call this as 0 and I call this as 1. So I want to represent one integer 3 by 4. So this is 0, this is 1. So one integer 1 by 4, one integer 2 by 4, and one integer 3 by 4. Okay, so one integer 3 by 4. So this is the representation of rational numbers on number line. So all of you note down this. Second one you are going with this one. Next example you are having, that is minus 5 by 6. So minus 5 by 6, you can see the example minus 5 by 6. So here you can see here numerator is less than denominator. So as it is a proper fraction, means you can say this you can represent in the form of, that is number line. So I draw this number line. So this is the first main, and this I am going to solve the second main. Okay. So this I am going to solve. So this was 0, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, and minus 5 by 6. So our aim is to plot minus 5 by 6 of rational numbers on the number line. So this is the minus 5 by 6. Okay, so just to go through these two examples and note down. Okay, so one more example, that is one more question from your exercise number 1.2 I am going to solve. That is one, represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. So represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. So see here, all these rational numbers, it looks like the proper fraction. So just draw, we have to draw the number line. So I'll draw this number line. So I call this as 0. Next number I call this minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11. Next one, minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11. Next one, minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11. Next is minus 8 by 11 and minus 9 by 11. So what the question says, they told to plot the three rational numbers minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11. So you are having the rational number, first one, this is minus 2 by 11. Next number you are having as minus 5 by 11, and next rational number you are having as minus 9 by 11. Okay. So this is the second part of your solving exercise number 1.2. Okay, so please note down all of you. So now comes to some more questions of exercise number 1.2. So see here, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2 and write 5 rational numbers which are greater than 2. So just I will draw a number line. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and this is -1, -2 and this is -3. So see here, the numbers which are on the right are positive, the numbers which are on the left are negative. So I need write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So I will write the first smaller than 2. I will write as -1, 0, again I write again -2, -3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally I will write the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So these are 5 rational numbers. So 2 by 1. So this is 2 by 1. So you can express that smaller than 2 as 2 by 1, and this 2 by this is an integer. It can be expressed in the form of rational numbers. Okay, so 2 by 1 can be expressed in the form of rational numbers which are smaller than 2. You can write as -1 by 1, 0 by 1, -2 by 1 and -3 by 1. So these are 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So all of you just note down this. So which are smaller than 2, that is -1 by 1, -0 by 1, -2 by 1 and -3 by 1. So all of you go through this concept. Okay, so next question you are having as second one. Second one you are having as write 5 rational numbers which are greater than 2. Write 5 rational numbers which are greater than 2 means we can write this again as -1, 0, +1, 2, 3, 4. So greater than 2, these are the, I written here 6 rational numbers. We can take any 5 rational numbers, that is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have taken that is 2. 2 can be again expressed, this is an integer, positive, it can be expressed in the form of rational numbers, means we can write the 5 rational numbers as -1 by 1, 0 by 1, 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1. So these are 6 rational numbers. They told to find the 5 rational numbers. So I have taken the 5 rational. I have taken 6 rational. In this you can write any 5 rational numbers. So all of you just go through this concept and please note down this concept. So dear students, this is the last 2 questions from the exercise I am going to solve, and some more examples are there from your exercise that you have to solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so all of you go through these 2 examples. After solving this example, you can easily solve the exercise number 1.2. And just see here, 5th question says find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So see here, find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3. I will write the first one, that is 5 rational numbers. I write n is equals to, that is first one, n is equals to 5, and also n plus 1 which is equals to 5 plus 1 which is equals to, I write 6. Okay, so the numbers given, that is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So these are 2 rational numbers given, that is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So I write, first I remove the LCM, 3 and 5, so both are odd numbers. So LCM of 3 and 5, that is LCM, that is 3 into 5 which is equals to 15. So 15 is the LCM of 3 and 5. So just you can write as 15, you can multiply. So see here, that is, I write this is 3 5s are 15 and this is 5 3s are 15. Okay, so see here, so what I'll write, so I write this as 5 2s are 10, 10 by 15, and this I will write as 4 3s are 12 by 15. Okay, so first you make both the denominators equal and then you take the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15, and again 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s are 15. Now multiply numerator with the numerator, 2 5s are 10, 4 3s are 12. So this is 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Now see, I get only one rational numbers between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So what is our question says? The question says find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So I multiply both the numbers in the numerator and denominator by 6, as n is equals to 5 and n plus 1 which is equals to 6. So that is 10 by 15 into, that is 6 into 6, and 12 by 15 which is equals to into 6 into 6. So I multiply this one, so I get this as 10 6 I get 60. I write here 10 6 60, and this one I will write this as 15 5, that is 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, and 15 5s are 75, and 15 6s are 90. So I am getting this as 90. And 12 6 are, so 12 5s are 60, that is 12 5s are, you know, it is 12 5, that is 60, and you know 6 2s are, so I'll go with 12 into 6, 6 2s are 12, and 6 1s are 6, that is 72. So totally it is 12 6 is 72. So this gives as 72, and this is 15 6 I will get this as 90. Okay, so see here, first 10 into 6 you got as 60, and 15 into 6 is 90. Similarly 12 5s are 60 and 12 6 it is 72 by 90. So I need to write the 5 rational numbers between 60 by 90 and 72 by 90. So I will write this as, that is 61 by 90. Next I write 62 by 90. I write 61 by 90, 62 by 90, 63 by 90, 61 by 90, 62 by 90, 63 by 90. Then you are having 64 by 90 and 65 by 90, so on up to 71 by 90. So I have written the 5 rational numbers, that is 61 by 90, 62 by 90, 63 by 90, 64 by 90, 65 by 90, so on up to 71 by 90. So up to 71 by 90 you can choose any 5 rational numbers. Okay. So now you are going to solve, that is second one example, that is 6th main example. So all of you just note down this, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. And one more example I am going to solve from your exercise, that is what the question says here. The question says find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and, that is 3 by 4. So find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So I'll write, that is n is equals to, they are given in question as 6, n plus 1 which is equals to 6 plus 1 which is equals to 7. Okay. So this is n is equals to, they are given, this is n is equals to, they are given as 10 in the first question. Second one, they are given n plus 1 which is equals to 10 plus 1 which is equals to 11. First we have to see the question, how many rational numbers they are told to find. They are given now 10 rational numbers, but given n is equals to 10, n plus 1 which is equals to 10 plus 1 which is equals to 11. So now 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So again one number is now, this is odd, and one number is even. Now what you have to do, now you have to take the LCM of 5 and 4. So LCM of 5 and 4 which is equals to, you know, it is 20. So LCM of 5 and 4 which is equals to 20. So again 5 4s are and 4 5s are. So 4 3s are 12, is 12 by 20, and 5 3s are 15 by 20. So I need 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So multiply both in the numerator and denominator by, that is 11. That is 12 into 11 whole divided by 20, and 15 into 20 into 11 into 11. So you need to find. So first make 12 into 11. So see here, 12 into 11. If you multiply, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, plus 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So this is 2, 3, 1. 132. It is 132. This numerator we are getting as 132. And next we have to see, it is 11 2s are 22, 220 are getting this. denominator 11 2s are 22, then 0 as it is. Similarly 15 11s are, you have to go 15 11s are, again it is 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, plus 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, 5 6 1, 165 divided by 220 you are getting. Okay, so see here, first of all what you have to do, first of all n is equals to 10 because given in question. Next n plus 1 which is equals to 10 plus 1 which is equals to 11. Next write your given question, that is 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. One number is odd, one number is even, so directly multiply and you will get the LCM, that is LCM which is equals to 5 4s are 20. So again 5 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20, multiply numerator with the numerator, 4 3s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So that is, you will get 12 by 20 and 15 by 20. Here you get both the denominators are equal. Now your question says multiply in the numerator and denominator by 11. So 12 by 20 in the numerator I have multiplied with 11 into 11, and this is 11 into 11. So just multiply 12 into 11, you will get this as 12 into 11, you get 132, and 11 into 20 you will get as 220. Similarly 15 into 11, 15 into 11 after solving I got as 165 into 2 by 220. So just write the 10 rational numbers in between 132 by 220 and 165 by 220. So I will write 10 rational numbers as 133 by 220, next 134 by 220, 135 by 220, next 136 divided by 220, next 137 divided by 220, next 138 divided by 220, next 139 divided by 220, next 140 divided by 220, 141 divided by 220, next 142 divided by 220. So just count these rational numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these I have written the 10 rational numbers in between 132 by 220 and 165 divided by 220. You can write any 10 rational numbers and you can note down this video of exercise number 1.2. just go through this video, solve the examples of exercise number 1.2 and complete the previous exercise, and this completes your, that is first chapter, that is your rational numbers. So all of you go through this.